How to show WhatsApp status to selected contacts. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings, and here you want to click on account and then privacy. In this page, from the first section, the who can see my personal info section, click on status, and as you can see, WhatsApp has set the who can see the status updates to all of the contacts. So what you need to do here is you need to click on the third option that says only share with, and then select the contacts that you want to share your status with. Say for example, I will select this one and this one, and once you're done, click on the save button, and as you can see, the settings has been updated. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share and show your status updates to the contacts that you select. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.